How to stop group members from sending messages on WhatsApp group. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now tap on the group name. At the top, tap on the group profile. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on group permission. You can see send new message option. Turn off this toggle. Keep in mind, you need to be admin of this group to do this change. From now, no members can send new messages in the group, and that's it. This is how you can stop group members from sending messages on WhatsApp group.